Ladies, 6 good tips in keeping a good man when you find him. Rule number 1, don't accuse the man of nothing what you're not certain of. Some man love to take your step from a friend and when you get up early for no good man tomorrow morning, and the friend you not see with them. Rule number 2, never assume say you won. There is always room for competition, so keep your game up. Rule number 3, don't go searching for trouble if you can't angle the truth. Some man love search the man them pants, their underpants and their phone. If something did in their phone and why you see, he would have show you. Buy a pack of no man throw in 9 bag if you don't trust him. Protect yourself with eyes no see, heart no leap. Rule number 4, give the man him space. The man just left the yard 4 minutes ago. You calling phone. Baby, me hear nice in your background where you there. Da, the same place me did there where you called me 3 minutes ago. Work. Make the man breathe. Don't make him tired of you. Rule number 5, take your lazy ass out of the bed. Some of you, from you get the man, you just assume say I hit that. You lie down in a bed till all white squall tie you out like gold chain. Get up and go make the man some porridge, make the man some tea. He can't work 24 hours a day. If you one bacon come give you, and you lie down your lazy ass in the bed not doing anything. Evening time him come home, you feel about something for him hit again because you lap your frack tail over your neighbor yard and chat people business. Rule number 6, some of you, when you get the ring, you no assume say I hit that. Everything done. Big setters in here, long granny nighty. For God's sake, stop it. And your man now, you're free to do anything you want to do with him. Put on something sexy. Play some nice music in the evening before him come. Make him some nice dinner. A cup of tea. If you can't afford massage oils, get a bottle of olive oil. Warm it over a spoon, rub it up in your hand, and give him a nice body massage. And when he talk to you, all way you know understand, say, After all, at the end of the week is who getting the bacon. Argument done.